Leftover Metcalfe station kits. What can you do with them? I'm going to show you. Roll the intros. Hello guys, and welcome back to Chelmswood Junction. I'm Peter. Now in this video, as the title suggests, I'm going to show you what you could do with leftover station construction kits from Metcalfe. Now, as you all are aware, I have made quite an extensive station platforms for my railway. I mean, one of them is at least about 7 to 8 foot long, and I've had to buy quite a few kits, but with the kits you don't use every single piece. You use one sort of piece more than the other one. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with the leftovers. So stick around guys, and let's have a look at the next clip and show you how much I have got left over. So let's have a look at the next clip. So now we are down at baseball level, guys. You can see the absolute amount of leftovers that I've got left from the station platform kits. I mean, these are all the printed ones, and obviously these are all the blank ones. Now you think to yourself, well, what can you do with them? They are, you know, angled at the side. Well, it's quite simple really. What you could do with them is, as you all know, I've just purchased the Metcalfe church, and if you was to cut this section off nice and squarely, you still got a nice flat piece. So you could build yourself a wall with the leftover bits. I mean, there's absolutely loads of them. You know, you got absolutely loads of capping stones. Why throw, you know, all these things away when they could be reused and used for something else? Let me take you over to where the church is now, and I will show you what exactly I mean. So here you are, guys. As you know, I bought the Metcalfe church, and there you can see it's all nicely finished and now in place. Now, I've always had this board in view for, you'd have a wedding or a funeral party in there. You then come out straight into the pub, beer garden, nice summer. You can have a nice reception or a nice wake. Now, how am I going to use the station bits for the pub and the church? I'm going to show you. So first of all, I've got all the tarmac bits. So if I show you what I'm thinking about doing, I mean, don't forget guys, this is going to be like this is a rough idea. I can show you exactly what I'm thinking of doing. Obviously I won't be using these scraps for the roads, but there you go, straight away you've got a roadway leading to the pub coming from this direction. You've got somewhere for the delivery drivers that are delivering, the dray drivers that are delivering all the beers and soft drinks and food. Can park up in the corner there. You've got a nice little car park there for the pub and the church. Now, how am I going to use these? Well, they're perfect size to build walls with. Now, I've got absolutely stacks of them. Now, as you can see, there's loads there to build the wall. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to build the wall for the church, so it's all cordoned off, and then we can start getting some scenic done on this area. So hopefully when we come back to another video, hopefully this area will be a bit more scenic. So there's the Metcalfe church and the pub, car park, and yes, you wouldn't have nothing else with an old church, but there will be hopefully in this area some gravestones. what my intention is, that's obviously the entrance to the church. I'm going to run a pathway down here, around here, to the entrance there. Also, what I'm planning on doing is actually having the pathway tree lined. So I don't know what you guys think. Do you reckon tree lined pathway would look good there? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. So there you have it, guys. You've now seen that the Metcalfe church has now been built and is now in sort of a place where I want it. And you've seen what I'm going to do with this little diorama corner of my layout. So, spares from Metcalfe, they come in handy. You never know what you could do with them. Like you've seen me, like I just showed you, I'm going to be using them to build a wall for the church. So the graveyard's got a nice wall around it. You could use it for a wall around a park. You could use it for a wall through the countryside. You could also use it if you've got a row of terrace houses. You could use it for the front or back walls for terrace houses. So, you know, they don't cost anything, guys. They're spares. Why throw them away? I was going to. Then I thought, hold on a minute. They're going to come in handy. So, you know, always keep hold of spare bits and pieces, guys. You never know. They could save us some money sometime. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please hit the like button. If you've got any comments or suggestions of what I could do with this little diorama, with i.e. the church, the pub, the car park, or the surrounding area, please let me know what you think, what I could do with this, what I should do with this. Do you like the idea of a tree line path for the brides? Is it a nice thing? Is it a bad thing? Let me know. Stick a comment down below. If you like the video, hope you have, hit the like button. Just want to thank all the new subscribers that have come onto the channel recently. Thank you very much. Welcome aboard. I hope you're enjoying the content so far, and I hope you enjoy future content from my channel. If you're not a subscriber, why not? As you can see from the videos, this massive baseboard of a railway is slowly but surely being scenic, and you can join me on my journey as I change the baseboards from baseboards to a scenic railway. So if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. If you like my videos and you want to carry on watching my videos, there should be a link here and here for other videos from my channel. That is all I have to say for this one, guys. I hope you're all okay. I hope you're looking after yourselves, because obviously the UK is coming into more stringent and tougher lockdowns, rules here, there and everywhere. So I hope all my regular YouTubers out there are okay and looking after themselves and they're all well. But one thing I will say, guys, is with everything that's going on, be nice to each other, look after each other, look after yourselves, but above all, happy modelling. Until the next time, bye bye from now.